Tell me if it happens again.
$100 for a broken lock. Goddamn racket.
Do you see Pope?
Yeah. He doesn't want to go to trial.
What about this Amy?
He told us to stay away from her.
So, he's in there, we're out here. We can deal with him when he's out.
What are you saying?
I don't give a shit what Pope wants or doesn't want. He put us in this situation. We decide what needs to happen and how we do it. Not him.
Oh, shit. Yo. What? Hey, slow down, slow down. What? What happened? Is he okay? Is he okay? All right, thank you.
What was that?
Pope got stabbed.
What?
He's fine. He just needs some stitches.
Shit. All right, let me talk to Finnegan. I'll figure it out.
I'm gonna go talk to the Trujillos.